What's up, IT Ninjas? Hit the like and subscribe button. Just takes a second and really helps out the channel. Today, just making a quick video for Microsoft Word Fix. I noticed the Save button at the top of Microsoft Word was missing, as well as the Quick Access toolbar. The autosave option, save, undo, redo, and the file name adjustment. To get these tools back, let's go to Options, Quick Access Toolbar, check Show Quick Access Toolbar, click OK, and everything will reappear. All of your tools are now back in place. This fix works for Excel and just about all Office apps. File, Options, Quick Access Toolbar, Show, OK. Thanks for watching, and hit the like and subscribe button. Let me know if this was helpful with your Quick Access Toolbar settings. See you in the next video, and let's ninja fix it.